In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you have an issue that you wish to contact or to get support team help you, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and open any browser outside Roblox and then just search Roblox support like that. Now this will take you to this Roblox help center. And here, if you tap on this, you can go ahead and have your issue resolved according to the problem you have. Here you will have an option for Roblox account problem, payment and gift cards and subscription issues. Also, we have problems related to parent safety and moderation. Go ahead and choose according to your issue. So that's how you can access, support and resolve any issue with the Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.